Hello everyone. In this video I will show how I made cool fashion flared pants from big pants. I turn my pants inside out. And I make such a sketch of the line with a pen in order to make the shape of the pants. Next, I stitch along the sketch line. We already see the silhouette of the pants we need now. Now overlock firmly. Cut off the top of the belt. The belt is a little larger than necessary, so I sew it like in the video. All that remains of the unnecessary cut off the belt and all the pants are ready. Everything was done by hand, without a sewing machine, so I made this product for 1 month. Thank you for watching.